Alert your teams to changes in client records that require action. Proactively manage client relationships with real-time updates. Review the alert subject and description, then take action on the record based on your business needs. Use categories to organize alerts by priority, severity, or type when they show for users. Dismiss or snooze an alert to take action at a later date. Report on alerts that are stored in Salesforce to identify alert effectiveness and how quickly they're being resolved. Use Business Rules Engine expression sets and the Record Alerts element to create business rules that perform complex lookups and calculations to automatically create a record alert when a record meets a specified criteria. Or create alerts by using an integration with your external system. By alerting users about important events directly on the records they are working with, teams can take timely action and avoid missed opportunities or potential issues. Add record alerts to your workflow today.